What's up, you guys? So my name is Kat. I am someone that's obsessed with makeup. Easy as that. I'm sorry, I literally keep sweating so much. So if I'm looking at this mirror, because I live in Yeehaw land, Yeehaw, and you're gonna hear me say that throughout the whole video, Yeehaw land, because honestly, it's so hot in here, and I keep sweating, and it's annoying. So you're gonna see me throughout, just a little disclaimer, throughout the video you're gonna see me clean off my sweat and stuff. That's embarrassing, but you know, what else can I do? Today I'm gonna be doing this makeup look that I did from my Instagram makeup account, which hint hint hint, I can't wink. Hint, you guys should follow it, obviously. You know, it's hard to explain things while you're doing it, and yeah, so if you guys just want to see how I get this look, just keep on watching. Yeehaw, yeehaw, yeehaw. I'm gonna put up my hair
in a ponytail.
We are gonna start off with my eyebrows. Yes, I think my eyebrows look good. So you're probably thinking, how are her eyebrows done? Well, you see, I am not a professional beauty guru, so obviously I can't explain a simple process. And also, I am not good with cameras, and the whole thing was out of focus. Thank you for your concern. Yeehaw! We're just gonna move on. I think that look good. I'm gonna be grabbing my concealer because I don't have an eyelid primer, whatever it's called. I'm not that fancy, you know. So we're gonna grab that. I'm gonna grab a bunch, okay? And I'm gonna apply it on my eyelid, as you can see right here. And bear with me because I thought somebody was opening the door. Bear with me because I'm not good with directions. One direction. Oh my god. Bear with me. So I just blended it in, you know, because I really don't have an eyelid primer. I used to be so insecure about having a YouTube channel, but now that I released my Instagram makeup account,
I can't wait. Go follow it, please.
I feel more confident about like my looks and everything. So you know, if they find out about my makeup YouTube channel, which I hope they do, because you know, follow me here because why not? I'm funny. We're gonna start with this makeup look, and we are gonna use my favorite palette because I love it, you know. It's the Take Me Back to Brazil by BH Cosmetics. Oh my god.
Okay, so on my makeup account yesterday, I uploaded the look I'm about to show you. All the looks I've done in my makeup account, which you totally should go follow it. I've used this palette mostly because it's so colorful and I love colorful makeup looks. And BH Cosmetics liked my post. And I almost cried because I got so excited. It's crazy, I know. Like, I'm famous now. I'm not.
But, you know, whatever. So now we're going to use this tape not sponsored. And I'm going to put it on the sides because I want this look to look alright. You know, maybe it might make me look dumb. But, you know, it will make me look dumb on camera, obviously. But I'm just applying it to the side. I never struggled with my eyes, like putting it up with the tape. But for some reason, the universe doesn't want to be with me today. The universe wants to fail me. I think that's the best it's gonna get. If it looks weird, just ignore it again, bully me, whatever. So that's the best it's gonna get. And it's gonna look good. It's generally gonna look good. And I said I'm using the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and it's honestly my favorite one. Like, I love it so much. It's crazy. So get painting. So this is the colors, you know, colorful, and we are gonna start off really easily. That's what I said because I don't know how to explain it. And I'm gonna go in with this color right here. It's like a greenish color there. I'm gonna go in really harsh on it because we are kind of gonna make like a like a kind of like a wing kind of thing, you know, just look and learn. So we are gonna start off kind of like this. You know, it might look messy right now, but ignore it. So I'm grabbing it right now and just basically kind of make a bundle. I know how to explain it right here. I mean, because we really want this to look really, really blue. So I'm just going in, and the that's also makeup brush. This makeup brush is from BH Cosmetics. It's like a flat one, you know. Let me see. Just a fat brush, you know, and it works really well. I like it. I usually it. The same from BH Cosmetics. All of my brushes are from BH Cosmetics because I love BH Cosmetics. Wow, there. It's like a brush. I'll zoom in on it. Whatever. It's like just a normal small blending brush, and I'm gonna go in with this one of these two lighter blue shades, and I think this one with this one. It's really easy and it's really nice, and so I'm just gonna grab a little bit, and I'm gonna add it to my inner corner right here, to the shade, to the part that I didn't want it happening, like that I said, oh, don't put anything there. But I'm just gonna add a little bit because honestly we're gonna cut crease that part, so it shouldn't bother at all. So now I'm gonna go in with a green shade, and I'm gonna go in with the darkest green I have.
Stop talking.
Which will be this green. With this green right here, I'm gonna go in with this one on the top. So tap tap tap, whoop, and I'm gonna go in. Why do I keep saying I'm gonna go in? Stop. I'm gonna do it on top of here. I'm gonna do the top part, you know, blend it out and stuff. And you know, blend it until your wrist hurts, because we don't want an ugly blending job here. I think it's really well blended. So I will grab now this brush again from BH Cosmetics, and it's like this really small blending brush. It's really cute. It's small. Have the yellows here, and I'm gonna grab this shade right here. I'm gonna grab a little bit, and this shade right here, and it's basically gonna mix just so it can be a really, really, really vibrant shade of yellow, which that's what I love. So we're gonna start blending, and this is just to blend the green, obviously, and add a little bit of color. You know, yesterday once I got the perfect color that I wanted, with like blended really well, I am gonna do this one more time, but I'm not adding any shades. I mean, any more pigment or anything. So now we're moving on to the hard part for me that I really do need to focus a lot on. I'm about to cut my crease, and it's not gonna be like a huge, like, you know, like you guys probably thinking like, oh, what did she apply blue if she's gonna cut her crease anyways, but I'm not. I'm gonna be using this flat brush. It's from guess where it's from, BH. So I'm gonna use it right here, and it's really little, and I'm gonna grab some from my thingy. And now that I have some, as you can see, you can't see it right here, cut it. Hopefully you guys can see. It's just kind of my camera died, and I went ahead and finished this eye, but I'm gonna keep explaining this eye because I stopped doing this one with my camera died. Okay, good. So we left off with putting on concealer. So I'm gonna grab a little bit more because the color did run away from me. It said, nope, not today, B. So I'm applying more concealer. And then I'm gonna go in with the Morphe 35O for glitter, because we're gonna add glitter. I'm gonna grab this brush right here, and it's again another flat brush. You can't see it again. And excuse me, I'm gonna go in with this glitter right here first, this one, and I'm gonna go in where I place the concealer. So basically anymore, because I didn't even grab it. So I grabbed the glitter, and I'm gonna put it on the inner corner where I place the concealer. So I'm gonna apply twice of that because, and then I'm also going in with this glitter over here, right here, this one right here, to make it a little bit more glittery, I guess you can say. I'm gonna take off my thing, and I'm gonna go ahead and isn't that so satisfying? I just love it. I'm gonna clean it off because it's sweaty. Texas Yeehaw Land again. And the glitter is actually gonna start slowly fading away, and I think that's like my favorite part, even though you can't see it, but it will. So now I curled, and I just curl once, like I don't even go up to the top. Curl, not taking my eye out, even though that'd be funny. Clickbait. Okay. And then I'm gonna go in with this Maybelline the Falsies Push Up Drama Mascara, and so I'm just applying it, make sure it gets really in there. Make sure not to touch the color because that would honestly be dumb. So I'm basically done with the eyes, and we're gonna move on to the face. And I am gonna add under color, but that will be when I'm done with my face because I don't like it. So let's move on to the face. Yeehaw.
As you can see, I just finished.
You can see I just finished doing this makeup look. We ran through a lot of technical difficulties. Yeah, if you guys want to see more videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna hope to post one video every week or two, or I don't know how it's gonna go, whatever. Make sure to like this video, subscribe. If you want to dislike this video, go ahead, I'm not the one to judge. And yes, I hope you guys have an amazing day, and thank you for watching. You can see my beautiful family big family, you know, I gotta support my family. So please subscribe down below, you know.